everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the room utilization widget in iCheck-in. First, you're going to log in as a staff member and you're going to click on the room sign in and out staff action. This feature is going to be helpful and will save you time, allowing you to view all children that have booked in across your service and each room. When you first log in and click onto the room, you will notice the widget above the menu. It's going to show you the number of children booked into your service, the number of children not currently signed in, children that are signed in, children that are signed out, and any children that have been marked absent for the day. If you would like to view the room utilization on a specific room, you can click on either sign in or sign out for the room, and the widget will now show the number of children booked in, not signed in, signed out, and absent for that specific room. As a staff member, each time the child is signed in or marked as absent or signed out, whichever applicable, the numbers will update automatically. These numbers will also automatically update when a guardian signs the child in or out, or if a staff member makes this action in Kidsoft using the iCheck-in dashboard, or marks the child absent on the child's bookings page or in the role marking screen. This feature, at a quick glance, will allow educators to have a snapshot of the total number that's currently in their service or on a specific room. If you would like any further information on our room utilization widget, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.